Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to be sharing with you 5 days, at least 5 days in my wash and go. If you're interested in this video, this is day 1, then please keep watching. So it's about 2100, so 9 o'clock, and so I'm going to tie my hair up. I just got from under the hair dryer, so this is technically day 1. Hair feeling good. It's a little damp under here, just a little, but I'm going to put my head over like this. So I'm taking all of my curls out of like the sides so they're not smushed. And so that they're going all in one direction. There's gotta be an easier way. There's gotta be an easier way. But I think it's all up. I think so. I think so. And it's not too tight, really. I just want to make sure that all of this is right. Yeah, that's good. And then, so this is basically a pineapple, but it's kind of difficult when your hair is new, if that makes sense. And you don't want to alter your hair. And you want to get all of the little pieces so they're not caught in anything and they're free. It's easier after like day 1 or whatever. But again, I'm not tying it tight at all because I can get a headache. And I'm about to put on a bonnet anyway. So I'm gonna put this over my head. I'm trying to make sure. Yeah. So that's what it looks like. And there you go. So day 1, I'll come back in the morning when I take it off. It should be fine. It should be fine. And it's better. I noticed also, I'm rambling, but I noticed that when I pull it back and have the scarf kind of like back, that's good if it's like hard hair. And it might be good after a couple of days too, but I know that my hair is a bit damp, and so the curls haven't like set. And it's like a soft hold. It's not like a hard hold. And even if the hard hold is there, laying on your curls will like smush them. So I just don't want to do that. I have 2 meetings tomorrow, and so I just want my hair to look good in the meetings anyway until tomorrow. So day 1 is done. Good night. Good morning, guys. So today is day 2 and I'm just going to take off my bonnet. I did the pineapple method, and I did that so my curls won't be smushed at all, and so it gives it a bit more volume, but as you can tell, like, my curls aren't smushed. I have a little bang action going on, but yeah, my hair is fluffed out and this is day 2. I'm literally not gonna do anything, no part, no flakes, yeah. Very soft hair. I'm trying to think. What I'm gonna do in this moment, I think I can stretch it back. You know, I didn't want to do that to sleep, because it would have definitely altered my hair. And so now I'm seeing like the little clear balls. I don't know, can you see that? It's not like significant, and I think it's because, I don't know why, but it's not significant because my hair is gray too. But anyway, this is too long of a day 2, but day 2 results, I really love them. I feel like my hair is moisturized, and I'm just going to push my hair back like this until my meeting. I have a meeting in an hour, so I'll be changing my shirt and just kind of like keeping it back like this. So I would usually wear my hair like this at night to kind of like help elongate it. So yeah, but the first night, I know, because my curls weren't as dry, they were a little bit damp back here, I just decided to pineapple, but I like this method better. So yeah, so that's it, that's all, and day 2 down. I'll see you in day 3. So I'm going over and over this, but I'm going to wear my hair like this at night with the bonnet. So either up at a pineapple like it was, or like this. So you'll just see that. I won't be doing a nighttime routine. I'll just show you how my hair progresses over the day. So again, day 2, we're out. Hi guys, so this is day 3. I just took my scarf and bonnet off. Sorry, it came off when I put my hoodie on. But this is my hair. It's shrank a ton, and it's become more like fluffy, I feel. But still a lot of movement. My edges are not sleek anymore, which is fine, but I'm about to go outside for a morning walk before work. So yeah, so that's it. I may show it after I get back, but may not. I don't know, but I do see some little clear balls, if that makes sense. But that's kind of how it was after day 3. Can you see this on my hand? You see them? So they're not white, they're clear in nature, but you see them? Anyway, so that's a thing, but that's with the slime. That is not with the mousse. So note that I think I may be using too much mousse, or maybe some, not too much mousse, too much slime, or maybe some, I don't know. I don't think that it's residue from the deep conditioner. It's just because it would be white. It's literally clear, like some particles from the mousse, or maybe it's interacting with the moisture. Like, you know, with certain deep conditioners, it leaves like oil or moisture in your hair, and it just maybe not mix. It's not a deal breaker for me. My hair feels amazing. I love the way my hair feels. So yeah, the curls are curling. I will stretch my hair, I'm sure. I'm sure I will. But this is it. Very short or shrunken, but anyway, day 3, that's it. I'll probably wait until tomorrow, day 4, to share like how my hair did with like walking, but it's cold outside, so you know, we still sweat, but it's cold outside. But yeah, those little, where can you see them? It's not significant again for me because I feel like my hair is gray, so it's kind of like, is that it or not? And it's not coming off on this black shirt, so that's what matters too. Anyway, until tomorrow. Hi guys, so this is my hair today. I pulled it back in a ponytail, and there's a little bit, there's some particles in my hair. So yeah, I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, so this is my hair. I went to the fair today. It was so good. But yeah, so just a headband, not much. I'm about to take it out and I need to wash my hair. So this is day 4 and I see I don't think it's flakes, it's just some residue from the slime, and I feel like it did this the first time, but it didn't, I don't know, it didn't look, maybe it did look as bad, I don't know, but my hair feels amazing. I just hate that you have those little particles. So on the strength of that alone, I don't know, I need to try something different. I don't know. Anyway, day 4. See you tomorrow. Good morning. This is day 5 and I didn't put a scarf on my hair or anything, but this is my hair. So completely shrunken. Normally when I put the scarf on, it kind of pulls my hair back. But yeah, so this is it. I'm probably gonna put it in a low puff today for work. I really need to wash it. As you can see, I think you can see the particles. So first impression, I really love how my hair feels, but they're not flakes, they're just clear that appear white buildup or particles. And I washed my hair, I cleansed my hair. I don't know, maybe using too much, but I feel like using the amount that I use gives me the results that I have. And so I don't know if anybody else has experienced this with this particular product, but it's kind of like a no-go. So I have half left. I'm not sure if I'll use it. Maybe I'll use it for like edges but not all over my head. So when my, you know, wash and goes or my blowouts are old, just to slick my hair back, I'll use it. Kind of like the Main Choice Alpha collection, like that flakes after a few uses, not on freshly cleansed hair when you're pulling your hair back, but after a while it just builds up and causes flakes. But initially it's fine. So the same sentiments with this, but I love the way my hair feels, so that's unfortunate. It had nothing to do with the mousse, I don't believe. But yeah, so I'm just going to kind of have my hair back like this today, in a low puff, but do my edges with something. And I may come back to show you. But yeah, tomorrow is Friday, so I'll wash my hair tomorrow after work. And yeah, so the next 2 days I'll probably be wearing it like this, but this is basically it. Even if there were no flakes, my hair still feels moisturized. It still feels good. The frizz is there. The fluffiness is there. The definition is kind of gone in the middle. But I don't mind it. I would just simply like band it to stretch it a little bit more, or not, because I like this look too. But yeah, so that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know if you've tried this slime. So this is 5 days in my wash and go. Yeah. Anyway, my alarm is going off for work, so I need to get to it. Thank you so much again. I see some newbies. I see you. I see you. I see my oldie but goodies. I see you too. I see you too. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. So this is my hair today. You see the flakes now on my gown, but hopefully you can't see them too much in my hair. Anyway, I'm just gonna wrap my scarf around it and then that's it. So this is actually it. This is how I did my hair.